dear. Wow, let me touch your hair.
I'm afraid of everything.
He has to make me laugh. How will it work, Varna? I should really just shut up. I would pose like Karthik and put out a picture. Hi guys, welcome to Box Office India. I am in conversation with two extremely talented and beautiful ladies, Konkana Sen Sharma and Bhumi Pednekar. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi Anita. Hello Box Office India. Let's start this conversation with on a fun note. So I'm going to start with you playing inappropriate questions. All right. So I have a couple of inappropriate questions for both of you. And so I'll start with Konkana first and then I go to Bhumi and then it will go like that. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Come on, Coco. Yes. Okay, Konkana.
It will be
If you... Sorry?
Start.
Alright, okay. If you woke up as a man one morning, what is the first thing you would do?
I would. I think I might shave actually because I've always been as a kid also very fascinated with the whole shaving thing and I might actually do the whole foam thing and shave.
That's a great answer. Okay. Yeah. Bhumi, what's the weirdest thing you have ever done when you were alone? I don't think I should say it. Please, when you're alone, those things are not meant to be discussed. Yeah. This is rather Adita. Please, it's a family show. Let's just keep it to that. कुछ भी बोल लो चलेगा. The weirdest thing that I've ever done. The thing is, I'm going to sneeze right now, and I don't know how appropriate is it with all the corona madness to sneeze.
No, it could be allergy.
I'm really trying to control myself. मत control करो. Okay, I think not alone. Let's just maybe talk about the weirdest thing that I've ever done. The weirdest thing that I've ever done. So there was a phase in my life where I was only speaking like a Delhi, like how you have those South Delhi girl gags. This was about 2 years ago where I was only speaking to my mum like that, and I don't know why. There was no reason for me to do that. My family was really sick and tired of me because I kept saying, "Come here, dear. Wow, let me touch your hair." I think it's really like stereotypical, but I was very like intrigued with all these what all these influencers were doing. They're so talented. I've given the most PG-13 answer. No, you can cover up. We have more questions after this. So yeah. Okay. Konkana, what is the most flirtatious thing you have ever done?
Most flirtatious thing I've done. Let's say I've not really done such. I've given my number to somebody who I wanted them to have, and I'm very casually confident to give my number.
And did that person get in touch with you? What did you do? We hope. Okay, yeah, alright. Alright, okay. Bhumi, the funniest pickup line ever used on you? Oh yeah, so this is actually a very famous one, and so somebody actually told me, "Are you hot?" I said, "Why?" Because you just fell from heaven. And I was shocked. I had heard this a couple of times. I've heard this cheesy one, but I was shocked that somebody actually used it on me. Because why? Yeah. Why did you feel that? अरे why? Because who uses pickup lines यार ऐसे? इससे भी cheesy है, बहुत cheesy है इससे भी ज़्यादा. मतलब I was shocked. All right. So okay. What Coco, have you ever gotten a cheesy one?
I don't think I have actually. I don't think anybody would really dare use like a pickup line or a cheesy one on me. Like I think people are scared of it, which is good.
All right.
Okay, next. Konkana, when was the last time you did something for the first time?
The last time I did something for the first time, actually the lockdown that way has been really good because I did two things. One is I really learned how to parallel park well because my driver was on leave. And the second thing I did was I embraced my curly hair. Of course, right now for promotions, I'm not really subjecting you to my wild curls, but I embraced it for the first time. I put up pictures of it.
Alright. Okay, Bhumi, the same question to you. What was the last thing you did something for the first time?
I turned vegetarian. So it's been more than 5 months now. So I think that's probably the biggest first time that I've ever had in my life so far.
Wow. Oh, alright. Okay. Konkana, 3 things we would find next to your bedside drawer or inside your bedside drawer.
You would find water, lip balm, charger.
Alright. Bhumi, 3 things we would find in your drawer, bedside drawer.
You would find lip balm or like a moisturizer for sure. Some other things.
Bhumi is being censored. Like, नहीं मैं नहीं बोलूँगी ये सब.
I'm in a mood today. I should really just shut up.
Okay, and the third thing?
And the third thing is a book that I'm reading for sure.
Alright. Okay. Next one for Konkana. The most annoying question you have ever been asked to answer.
The most annoying thing would be these very generic questions. ये आपने ये मूवी किया, ये कैसा रहा, ये experience कैसा रहा, like why would, and I find myself also answering so boring, because I'm like नहीं बहुत मजा आया, बहुत special था, like I also immediately kind of start responding like that, so I feel like I'm also weird questions, so that I get a lot.
Bhumi was thinking of one question, maybe Bhumi, something that you thought of?
No, I actually realized there are so many, but something that really irritates me is like, when you're kind of pitted against your co-star, and that really irritates me because it's just so annoying and so disrespectful to me and that other. Most of the time, it's a female actor, but I think that's the most annoying thing.
Alright. Okay, Bhumi, that wasn't your question, but this is your question. Most embarrassing memory, most embarrassing memory or moment of yours.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I'll tell you what. I was promoting for a film that released in December with 2 of my co-stars, Karthik and Ananya. And we were on one of these primetime shows. And I was very hormonal that day. Like very means I don't know what had happened. And the show was like, tribute to parents, where these people came, they showed their talent and it was a tribute to like whatever, their mother or their father. And I swear, I kid you not, I have only cried on that show. From the moment I sat on that chair to the moment I went into my van. I don't usually watch my emotional episodes. I went and I watched that episode and I was so embarrassed. And Karthik and Ananya felt so pressurized because they weren't really crying, right? I was so hormonal. I couldn't. And Ananya was like, we need to stop crying. People will think I have no emotions. I was like, no, I just can't. You have those days, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I was very hormonal. And I couldn't understand why. Then when I went into my van, I was like, oh, that's why. That's why.
Alright.
Okay. It was really embarrassing.
Alright. Konkana, guy with good looks or guy with good humor? Who would you choose?
Good humor.
Good humor. Alright.
Good humor.
Bhumi, same question to you. Guy with good looks or guy with
good humor. Humor any day. He has to make me laugh. How will it work, Varna? Need to be entertained.
Alright. Okay. Konkana, biggest fear that you have? One biggest fear that you have?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Ooh.
I'm afraid of everything. There is no one biggest fear. I'm scared of the water. I'm scared of the dark. I'm sometimes scared of dogs. I'm scared of very loud voices, sudden sounds. I started. I am very scared of the water. I'm scared of everything. I'm a very
Oh my
brave
God.
person because I navigate life with so many fears.
All right.
That's
Okay.
really
This is
funny.
this is the last one. Bhumi, if you woke up as Kartik Aaryan, what is the first thing you would do?
Arey? I would, if I woke up as Karthik, the first thing I would do is I would pose like Karthik and put out a
Ah.
picture and have millions of those girls go crazy.
I thought you would make your hair up because he's always obsessed with his hair.
Everybody says hair. Everybody. This is,
Yeah.
Anita, this is that question that I'm asked. I don't want to answer.
All right.
High
okay.
five on that.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
It was
much
fun.
for doing this. It is always fun to talk to you all, and I just wish we
Thank
could
you,
meet, but
Anita.
Hi, this is Konkona.
Hi, this is Bhumi, and you're watching us on.
Box Office India.
Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy what Anita has spoken to us about, because we are a lot of fun.